Okay guys, this is Carrie over at Power Palace Gym with another video update about the gym. Got some more equipment I want to show people. First off, we've got a Concept 2 rower. This is actually the PM4, I guess, model. It's a commercial, obviously, so we've got a rower finally in here. Oh, wait a second. It says Model E rower, okay? So that's what we got. And it's a good rower, shows, you know, the distance on there. People with the programs, they need to see the distance. There you go. Next up, we've got a legendary piece of equipment, super rare, hard to find. Nautilus Super Forearm Machine Next Gen, chain-driven system, and it's got a 200-pound stack on it. And of course, I've got a gym pin, so if you want to add more resistance for some reason, you could add more resistance to it with plates. Next up, we've got this Hammer Strength seated shrug machine. Excellent machine, good machine, okay? And just FYI, we're going to be moving some of this stuff down here a little bit. I'll probably do it late at night when there's hardly anybody here, just to give a little bit more space. We now have a dedicated shoulder section, okay? So we've moved the front military press over here. We've moved the side delt raise over here. We've moved the pre-core carrying shoulder press over here. The warm-up stuff is now going to be in this area. It's kind of a disaster still in here. I'm going to get the mirrors up maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. Sometime this week anyway, I'm going to get the mirrors up. We'll have the massage table over here for stretching. You know, I'll probably get rid of this table. To be honest, I don't need this table out here. And we'll just have to keep the GHD over here. So the other thing I really want to show off, and of course he's using the incline iso press over there that I talked about yesterday. But I have got a Flow Fitness glute bridge now, right over here in the lower body section. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to fit it, but we rearranged some stuff. The multi-hip's over here now. And now we have a glute bridge. For everybody who was wanting to do glutes, glute bridges, you know, people were using the benches and they were using the barbells. They were using the fat pad, which was not ideal situation. Now we have a dedicated machine for it. So much better and more convenient. And there we go. So I'm pretty sure that we're the only gym around here who has a glute bridge. Somebody can correct me on it. I'm pretty sure we're the only gym in Newburgh. Actually, probably you'd have to go all the way into Tualatin or something to find a gym that has a glute bridge. So, only one around here. Smith machine is still not connected yet, assembled yet. I'm going to work on that probably later tonight after I take a break. But I've got the instructions now, and we're going to put this bad boy together, and then people can start using it. So, be excited because now you can get your Popeye forearms with the forearm machine. You can get your Greek god ass with the glute bridge machine. See you guys next video.